aloe vera is very good. It acts like a gel, a hair gel. It strengthens the hair and the scalp. I'm going to use aloe vera. After using aloe vera, I'm going to use castor hair treatment hair cream. It's very, very good. It nourishes the hair. Those people with natural hair, it's very good. I'm going to use this label. It's coconut oil. It's nice and it has a nice smell, actually scent. I'm going to use this pure coconut hair oil still. I'm going to use also this. It's coconut oil. They have different usages, so that's why I apply all of them at once. This is coconut oil, and coconut oil. Then I'll put pink moisturizer. I'll put this pink moisturizer. Actually, I've looked for my castor oil. I'm not seeing it anywhere around, but I looked for it. But I can also add castor oil in my hair. So as you want to treat your hair, your natural hair to look good, these are the go-to products that are actually they are cheap. You can look for them around and use them too for your hair to be nourished and nice. Give your hair a treat to look good. Yeah, so let's get back to the video. You just cut the aloe vera in between, then you remove that white gel or the colorless gel. So this is what I've removed. I've mixed my coconut oil, the mother oil is called the mother oil, some water, and then this aloe vera gel. I'm going to just smear them in my head and steam. But I always be careful to where you mix your aloe vera from. Me, I'm doing from the kitchen just because it's where there is some good lighting. But after I have to do the thorough cleaning, otherwise all the food and whatever I'll be eating is gonna be sour. You know how aloe vera can be. So I have to get this. In the form of a polythene for my hair to be steamed and to do the reaction, understand the reaction. So you put this so that the water doesn't drip on you every time, but the way this ground of mine looks like, so it's better sometimes you put a basin or a polythene when you're going to apply them in. I'll get back to you. Guys, I'm back. I'm just done with what I'm doing. So I've spent 1 hour. Actually, I've not even finished much because I'm just doing house chores and cleaning and what. I've not yet finished, but let me wash my hair. Then let me first show you how it looks like before. Let me first show you how it looks like before washing it out. So this is the hair. I think you see how it is nourished, and I'm just going to wash it out. I'm going to use shampoo. I have shampoo, then hair conditioner. It's a Kanto product. Then I put other products. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Peace. Oh, I'm just done washing the hair, but it feels so nice, you know. See these end curls? See how it has curled itself because of the aloe vera and the coconut oil. See? So I'm going to get back after everything, putting the products. Good enough, I had shown you the products. I'll get back to you later when I'm done with my natural hair. It's a 4C, by the way. So back to you when I'm done with everything, detangling and twisting it and everything. Bye. Hello everyone. A new introduction. You know, when I say that I'm coming back, you know, it has taken me 3 days not touching the camera, and my hair is all a mess that I had promised you. I think you see some curls, that the curls were, it was curly, but it has taken me 3 days not using the camera. I was quite lazy and a bit caught up with some work, so I couldn't go for recording. So guys, let's use what is around. Let me show you how I can do with this hair, with this messed hair to come out very good with its little curls that remained. I'm going to just show you let me just show you plan B of this hair. First, I use this spray bottle. I put water to first make my hair a bit wet. This is how it looks. Or if your natural hair is out, you can use this method. You see there's some small twists and waves kinda. So this is what I do with my hair. I think you see, I'm just sitting now. So I got here to use this, it's called oil spray, to spray it to get nourished and look good and shiny. is a finished look, as you can see. Like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and everything. You know what to do, please. So meet again next time.